Electrolytic decomposition reactions are electrolysis. The decomposition reactions which are carried out by electric current are called electrolytic reactions. Example, the decomposition of water to give hydrogen and oxygen when electric current is passed through it. Activity 1.7 explains the electrolysis of water. For that, take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at its base and fit rubber stoppers in these holes. Then insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers. Connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery. Fill the mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water. Take 2 graduated test tubes filled with water and invert them over the 2 carbon electrodes. Now switch on the current and leave the apparatus undisturbed for some time and observe what happens. Note it whether the volume of the gas collected the same in both the test tube. Then test the gases present in each test tube by using a burning candle and test which gas is present in each test tube. When electric current is passed through the water, the bubbles are produced in the test tubes and started rising, but the level of water started falling. The 2 test tubes have different amounts of gases. The hydrogen gas gets collected in the cathode and the oxygen gas gets collected in the anode. The volume of hydrogen gas is 2 times that of the oxygen, which indicates that the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen elements in water is 2:1 by volume. The 2 gases can be tested by placing a burning candle near the mouth of the test tubes. The pop sound is produced when it is placed near the mouth of the test tube which contains hydrogen gas, whereas the test tube which contains oxygen will continue burning. The equation for this reaction is 2H2O on passing electric current gives 2H2 plus O2. Photolysis or photodecomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions in which the light is observed or required to carry out the decomposition are called photodecomposition reactions. We can able to understand the photolysis by doing an activity. Take about 2 gram of silver chloride on a china dish. Note its color. Place this china dish under sunlight for some time. Observe the color of the silver chloride after some time. You will see that white silver chloride turns to gray when placed under sunlight. This is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine. The equation for this reaction is 2AgCl when placed under sunlight gives 2Ag plus Cl2. Another example for this photolysis is decomposition of silver bromide. 2AgBr when placed under sunlight gives 2Ag plus Br2. The above reactions are used in black and white photography. We have seen that the decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light or electricity for breaking down the reactants. The reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. Write answers for the following questions.